AMT sequencer. The PCM option tick is removed. AMT distance. The xrio file taken from P54X relays could not be loaded correctly and the number of parameters was 0. This is now fixed. AMT differential. The guiding images for selecting primary, secondary, and tertiary CTs are placed in the differential protection properties page. Images are also placed in overcurrent protection properties and transducer properties to select the direction of PTs and CTs. A new option is added to the Settings tab that if this option is enabled on any of the relay test rooms, the test is stopped at any time if a test failed and a message is displayed to the user. AMT diff harmonics. If you add points while harmonic order is on the second harmonic, and then put harmonic order on the fifth harmonic, the points are updated in differential harmonic characteristic as well as the points table. Circuit breaker. A new option for testing the time of keys powered by AC voltage is added to the Test Object tab. This option is located in the Open-Close Voltage Settings section. When the AC option is selected, while creating a warning to change the wiring, a section called Bin Out is created with the delay field in the Timing Test tab. In this field, you can consider between 0 and 10 milliseconds as a delay in calculating the performance time. Since threshold is not used to calculate the time, the latency of the relays behind binary outputs should be considered. You can also use this option in the Minimum Voltage to Operate Circuit Breaker tab to test the minimum voltage of the key function. Two things should be taken into account. A state type can be put on pulse ramping and manual. In either case, you can increase your voltage to 450 volts if you have chosen AC in Test Object. Transformer. Calculations related to the Vector Group Check tab have been corrected. To obtain the portable vector grouping after specifying the values in the requested fields and obtaining the result, amplitude and phase values in the primary and secondary side are carried out on a phase-by-phase basis. For example, a file containing the results of this tab calculated with previous version is uploaded. In this case, because once with previous versions of vector group check calculations performed by using the Recalculate option in Signal View settings, the calculations written in this new version are applied. The results change as it can be seen. The DY wiring image in the Continuity Tap Changer tab has been changed. Z and ZN wirings are added to the initial position. For example, tests are made possible for ZNYN11 vector grouping. In the Vector Group Check tab, photos are added for testing. Many hardware and software changes have been made to binaries. For this reason, in winding resistance test, when the voltage measurement mode was changed from binary 1 to 10, the test stopped. Now this is fixed. Hardware. The time difference between GPS and UTC in the software is fixed.